Hey YouTube, I was bored and decided to make something really quick out of paper. And this is a gun that has a working slide. As you can see, here's it with the slide in the rear position. And you can push the slide forward. And there's the blowing tube. Got some nice sights on there. A fake safety. And made completely out of paper, no cardboard. The marker was just to add detail. Probably looks really crappy. And I made a barrel extension to put in here just to make the darts go a bit better, but I'm not sure it makes such a difference. And so got two of the darts here. One's long, one's short. And I'll load them in and show you it shooting. So pop one in there, and then shut the slide. Let's go. Alright, so there's the first one. That went about like 4 feet. Not that powerful, so move the slide backwards again. Load another shell. Got the dart in there. Okay, that one actually went a bit further. That went about like, I don't know, like 8 feet. And so yeah, this is fun. Should make some more darts for it. And it's my first paper gun. So comment, rate, subscribe, and later.